Hello students, welcome to the third part of linear regression. In last video, we studied the different formulas of linear regression. As we all know, we have to find regression line. For regression line, we have to do and calculate 3 steps. Step number 1, find out regression coefficient, that is b, small b. Second step, find out constant. Constant means small a. And third step is regression line, that is y cap. Now we move towards the sums of the first chapter. By formula, you all aware that first method, there are different methods to find the regression coefficient. Different 6 formulas are there. Now let us move towards the sum. Textbook, page number 120. Illustration number 1, the following observations are obtained for life into bracket years of usage of cars and their average annual maintenance costs of a specific model of car of a particular company. Here they provides us 2 columns in the question. First, life of cars in years, and second, average annual maintenance cost in 1000 rupees. Here is the question. Now they ask, obtain the regression line of maintenance cost on the life of cars. Also estimate the maintenance cost if the life of a car is 10 years. Now here there are 2 variables, life of cars and average annual maintenance cost. So life of a cars is actually our variable x and average maintenance is y. Now friends, we observe in the question that all the digits of given variables are 30 or less than 30. So remember, as we also studied in correlation, when the observations are small, 30 or less than 30, then we apply the method of XY. In correlation, we prepare additional 3 columns, XY, x square and y square. But here in regression, they provide us 2 columns, x and y, and additional 2 columns we have to prepare, that is xy and x square. no need to prepare the column of y square. Why? Because in formula of regression coefficient, we only needs x square. There is no need of y square anywhere, so no need to prepare the column of y square. Now we move towards the calculation of the sum. In x column, they provide 2, 4, 6, 8. The total is 20, 20, 20. In the column of y, 10, 20, 25, 30, 30. The total is 85. Now, next column is xy. xy means multiplication of column x with y. 2 into 10, that is 20. 4 into 20, 80. 6 into 25, 150, 150. 8 into 30, 30, 240. Then we have to do the total of the column of xy, that is 490. Now next column is x square. Square of the column of x. The square of 2 is 4. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 8 is 64. Then we do the total of the column of x square, that is 4 plus 16 plus 36 plus 64, 120. Now our raw material is ready. Now we move towards the calculation. The regression line we want to find. For that purpose, we have to pass through 3 different steps. First step, regression coefficient, that is b. Second step, constant, that is a. And third step, regression line, that is y cap. First of all, we have to find the value of x bar and y bar. And here it is. The formula of x bar is sigma x upon n. Sigma x is 2020 upon 4, value of n. The answer is 5. Y bar, sigma y upon n. Sigma y, the total of y is 85 upon 4, total number of variables. So y bar is 21.25. Here they clearly mention, let us find the regression coefficient as follows. Regression coefficient means b. The formula of regression coefficient is b is equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. Now we put the values into the formula. N means 4 because there are 4 different digits are there. So n is equals to 4. Sigma xy means total of column of xy, that is third column, total of third column, and it is 490 minus sigma x means total of column of x into sigma y means total of column of y upon again n, that is 4, into sigma x square means total of fourth column, that is total of column of x square, minus sigma x means total of first column, that is 20 square. Now we do the simplification. 490 into 4, that is 1960, minus 85 into 20, that is 1700, upon 120 into 4, that is 480, minus 200 square, that is 400. Now 1960 minus 1700, the answer is 260, upon 480 minus 400, the answer is 8080. Now 260 divided by 8080, that is 3.25. So the answer of regression coefficient, our first step, small b, is 3.25. Now we move towards our second step. And the second step is to find the value of constant. Constant is denoted by small a. Now, putting the values of x bar and y bar and b in the formula of a. A means constant. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is 21.25 that we find earlier, minus b means 3.25, x bar 5. Now 21.25 minus 325 into 5, so 16.25. 21.25 minus 16.25. Here we got the value of a, that is constant. A is equals to 5. So we achieve our second step, that is constant, means a. Now we move towards our third step, and the third step is find out regression line, and that is y cap. So the regression line of maintenance cost y on life of car x is y cap is equals to a plus bx. Y cap is equals to, the answer of A is 5 plus answer of B is 3.25 and X. X means X. Now in the question, you all remember that at last they asked that estimate the maintenance cost if the life of a car is 10 years. Here the life of car means value of x. So the value of x, they given us 10 and we want to find the value of y cap. So in the last step, this is also called as forecasting. This one is called as forecasting step. Here we do the forecasting, that when the life of a car is 10 years, what is the maintenance cost? In the meaning of regression, in the first video, we already learned it, that when one known variable is there, then from that we can able to find the unknown variable. Here it is the application of that. Life of car means the value of x is 10 and we want to find the average annual maintenance cost. So what we have to do? Simple. We have to put the value of x into the regression line. So y cap is equals to 5 plus 3.25x. Now we put the value 5 plus 3.25. In place of x we put 10. So 5 plus 3.25 into 10, that is 32.5. So 5 plus 32.5, that is 37.5. The answer of y cap is 37.5. At last, in answer, because we want to get full marks, so at last we have to write one sentence. When the life of a car is 10 years, then its estimated maintenance cost is rupees 37.5 thousand. Why 1000, sir? Because in question of y into bracket they provide us in 1000 rupees. Clear? By this way we can easily able to find the regression line by doing 3 steps: regression coefficient, B, constant, A, third regression line y cap, and if they give the value of x, then we also do forecasting of y cap. So I am confident enough that you all can able to understand the method of xy in regression line. Thank you.